Build your dream home on this beautiful second-row lot with potential scenic water views of Clubfoot Creek. Plantation Harbor Gated Community is a waterfront neighborhood that offers resort-style amenities, including a clubhouse, pool, tennis courts, fishing pond, trails, and a private boat ramp with day dock, providing direct access to the Neuse River, Intracoastal Waterway, and beyond. Whether you enjoy sailing, power boating, or kayaking, these navigable waters are perfect for all. Ideally situated between MCAS Cherry Point and historic Beaufort, you'll enjoy both convenience and tranquility. Don't miss this opportunity to own a slice of coastal paradise. Just add water to your lifestyle.